Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. (2002) Subaru Outback driver's side CV axle assembly replacement. 19mm lug nuts. Gonna try and unstake this a little bit with a screwdriver. .32mm nut. Alright, then we got a through bolt here, 14mm bolt. We'll take this out, take this lower ball joint down, and then we'll use a punch and we'll drive this little piece out through the axle right there. Punch. You probably get a new pin with your CV axle to drive back through. So I don't know if it matters if this only goes on one way or if we can put it on both ways, but it's always nice to slide it on. Take a look through the hole, see if we can get if it looks like it's going to line up for the pin. And then we can drive the pin through there. Put this back in the hole over here. We got a new nut, put that on. I'll tighten that 14mm down. Get you some torque specs in a minute. So we'll torque this down. Stick a screwdriver in the vanes here. And you can just tighten this down yourself without any help. So we'll torque this down and we'll stake it. Tighten that 14mm bolt there and the lug nuts. Put that back on and you'll have done your CV axle and torque specs coming up. So we got 137 for the axle nut. I didn't find one for this. I'm guessing between 30 and 40. Just make it tight, it'll be fine. Lug nuts are 65 foot-pounds. You'll be back on the road. Everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. Put the lug nuts on in a star pattern when you tighten them up, crisscross. That's your Subaru Outback and many other Subarus axle replacement.